Hey guys, let's unbox my 800 euro birthday gift for myself together. Guys, I promised to unbox these things with you, but I was a little bit very tired and I could not unbox them. They all arrived, some came last week and the other one came this week, but I was supposed to unbox it like 2 days ago, but I could not. But here we have the video. These are the items and I'll try and unbox them and show you one step at a time. This video may be more than one or two, but please stay with me and bear with me. Like, if you love unboxing videos, just stay tuned and let's unbox these items together. They are for Shein and some of them are not from Shein, so I will just list them out as we go. The perfumes, some are from Shein, some of them are not for Shein. So I was in this place, I was trying to use the back camera, but trust me, it wasn't doing justice to this video. But don't worry, I'm going to flip. Just bear with me. You're going to see me flip in few seconds. Okay, I'll flip. Then, yeah, I just left there so I can flip. I don't know what I was doing there. I was trying to see if I could use the, back camera. It's not for me. I don't know how to do it. It just gives me makes me feel like I'm off. So this is from Action Store. I added it to my collection. It's the first time I'm using it. But this other black one, I've used it before, so I like the smell, so I had to buy it again. So I added that to my collection because I'm a perfume sucker. I love perfumes a whole lot. So in this place, I was literally telling you guys how much I love perfume. So this one, I have opened it and I scented it because I couldn't wait to see what was in there. But I was disappointed because I thought I ordered 100 ml. I didn't know I went for 30 ml. I did not look at it before clinking, so I made a mistake. So when it came, I realized that I made a mistake with that. So, but you see the smell? It's so good. So I even felt so bad that it was this small. So I will go for the bigger one because I can't afford not to have this perfume in my collection. It's so good. Arabic perfume, most of them are so good. So I was a bit mad, but it's okay. It's not their fault, it's my fault. I did clink the right one when I was paying. So this one also is from Shein. I got two other perfumes from the same brand. Okay, this is Latafa, and they are so good, guys. They are so good. You see how beautiful the bottle looks? Excuse me, that is how good they look. That is how good they look. So what better way can I celebrate myself than to add more perfumes to my collections? Because girl, I love smelling good. I love looking, beautiful and also smelling good. It's not about looking beautiful. Sometimes you can look beautiful and you're not smelling good, and it doesn't even go well. So if you're looking good, also smell good. Try this out. You will not regret it. If you want me to share the link with you, I will. They did not pay me for promotion. I'm just saying the honest truth. This product is the bomb.com. If you can find it, buy it. Buy it. Is affordable and you will enjoy using it, and it stays longer on you. Because even the one I sprayed on my hand before going to bed last time when I was trying them, I can still perceive a little bit of it even when I've washed my hands multiple times. I've used the bathroom, I've washed my hands, and I can still perceive it. This is how good it is. This other one is so good. They smell fruity. If you love fruity kind of perfume, you love like that feminine, beautiful, elegant, rich, anti-vibes kind of perfume, just go buy Latafa. Buy this particular brand. Like, I can bet anything for these two you're seeing in my hands. And also the white one. The white one is so good. I've had that before, but I don't have it right now. I'm going to place an order for it because the last time I bought it, I got it from a store in Italy, so in this country. So I buying it online, I was a bit skeptical, but because I figured that this one is it's the same thing, that there's no different, I'll go and buy it again. Okay, so I'll buy another one online so that it will just be easier. So this particular one, I was just unboxing it because I know how it smells, because I have a bottle of it already in my house. So I just wanted to just unbox it for you guys. It smells as much, but sometimes you buy perfume and then when you buy it again, it smells a little bit different. Maybe I don't know why they do that sometimes, but it still smells so good. So look at my storage. In there I have perfumes, body sprays, body mats, and in my room I still have a section in my room where I have body mats and perfumes. I just love smelling good. This one is so good. It is so good, trust me. And it's affordable. I got this one from Action Store, and the black one is also from Action Store. But you see those other two, Latifa and the other one, I got them from uh Shein. Okay, this one is also from Action Store. It is so good. Oh my goodness, I will not let that run out of my house. I'll buy more. Okay, I will just try and buy like two other bottles and keep it, because perfume is one way I show myself love. Okay, everyone knows what they like. Some people like buying expensive things, bags. Some people buy some expensive bags. I'm like, why are you buying that bag? You don't even need it. It's not even that fine. Why you spending that much on a bag? So guys, stay tuned with me as we continue, because this video is going to be a bit longer, but not here. I will be ending this one right here, and I'll be back to